Hey guys, this is Alex from Tavoga Bust. Welcome to beautiful Thailand. Check out this unreal view. It's been amazing here. We've been here for about a week. It is humid beyond belief and super hot. So I want to just jump on really quickly and share some of my favorite essentials that have gotten me through this trip. And one of those things is the Shick Intuition f.a.b razor, which I'm super excited to try. And I'm super overdue for a shave, so I'm really excited to get it done today. So let's unbox this and check out some of my other favorite beachy vacation essentials. Welcome to my outdoor tub. I am so excited to open this up finally and get to try it out and experience what it's like because I've heard amazing things, and again, I'm so overdue for a shave, so this is really needed at this point in the vacation. So let's open this up. And you can see like the blades are on both sides, so that you can like literally shave back and forth like this. So especially for shaving my armpits and stuff like that, and being in those like tiny little hotel shower cubicles that are so hard to shave in. This is gonna be so good. And actually even just for the legs, when you're in one of those and you're trying to like get your leg up somehow and kind of get all these like crazy angles and your back hurts because you've been on a plane forever, this is gonna be so key. But I'm gonna put this to the test and actually try it out now. So I'm gonna save you guys from actually having to see how hairy my legs are, and I'm just gonna show you the after shot and then kind of like demonstrate what it's like, because no one should have to see this. Poor Alicia, my friend who's with me on this trip right now of Alicia Fashionista, has had to kind of see my legs for the past 2 days, and it has not been pretty, so I feel bad for her. So I'm gonna save you guys from that and show you the after effect and how you can use this yourself. Okay guys, I'm saving you from having to see what the before was like, but that literally took me like all of like 2 minutes. Usually it takes me a lot longer to shave my legs because you're just kind of like moving all over the place and everything. As you can see here, you can literally shave back and forth. So you can just see like you can shave that way normally, but you can also go this way and go back and forth so that you can kind of get into every nook and cranny, and especially around your knees where you're kind of like you have like that little bony part, or even trying to reach like the back of your thighs, which can be hard to always kind of like continue shaving the same direction, or around your ankles. So long story short, this razor, amazing. The grip is amazing, which is really nice. You know, like sometimes you like have it slip and stuff like that in the shower, but this has a really great handle. The bi-directional razor is so clutch because you can really get into your knees and your ankles and all those areas that are hard to shave. Not to mention that when you're traveling, you kind of have sometimes confined spaces, or maybe the soap doesn't lather as well if you have a harder place. You really need a really good razor so that you're not nicking yourself and also kind of running the risk of gapping a cut and then being out and about and, you know, exposed to whatever. I have a few more days left to kind of enjoy the sun and now to enjoy it with stubble-free legs. So thank you so much, Shick, for partnering with me for this. You guys, if you want to check out the razor, I'll have it linked below. And other than that, stay tuned for more Thailand content coming up and a few more shots from this beautiful place coming up at the end here. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next one.